Bird. On the blue course, being 46 Chakra. Blue course ready. Red course ready. Go.
Bird in the red, Chakra in the blue on course.
And everybody have an up on. I told the fellas start to